What's going on, my lovely people? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a quick breakdown for you guys. I'm going to show you the trade that I took on GBP USD and how it played out. I'm going to show you why I entered, where I entered, and how everything went at the end. So let me show you guys this quick breakdown, and hopefully you can learn a thing or two from this. Now I just want to give a special shout out to Shosho, who's a member of the Discord, who requested that I do this breakdown. So if you guys want to see other breakdowns of trades that we take during our live streams, just hit me up on Discord or put it in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to do those breakdowns as well. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, so as you can see right here, I have the trade already played out. It's already lined up. Everything is good. What I'm going to be showing you is exactly where I entered and why I entered the trade. So first, we should actually go to like the 1 hour and stuff like that, just to give you guys an example of what's going on. As you can see, I have these zones marked up here, but that's where I decided to take profit. But down here is the most important one. When we go to the 4 hour, you can see that there is a big support zone, right? Price came into this level before, pushed all the way down, came up in here, pushed down a little bit, but broke above. So when I saw the reaction from here, I said, okay, even though it hasn't been tested too well, it still could be a possible area where at least price can retrace enough for us to scalp for a 1 to 2. So I simply just went back down to this level. Now, those of you who know me know that I actually don't trade any forex at all, but recently on my live streams, I've been doing forex just to help out with, you know, a lot of my subscribers and viewers who don't know how to trade, who would like to see me do different setups. Essentially what happened was price was coming down to the level, okay? So price starts coming down to this level and I started to just observe it, okay? I usually wait for a specific pattern, but in this case, I was just trying to see what I can get. Now what happened was right here, I noticed that price was doing two things. Number one, it was consolidating. How I knew it was consolidating was not just by the price action or by the way the candles were forming, but even when I went to the 5 minute, I can see on the 5 minute that price is just within this range. So that already let me know, okay, price is reacting very weird around this zone. And if you guys have seen me trade live, you hear me sometimes describe that whenever price is coming up, you know, going down in a nice bear trend, and then you get to a certain level and it starts to basically consolidate, it's usually reversing to go to the other way like that. That's usually what happens. So that's essentially what happened here. Price came down to this level here, and I started to notice that not only is it consolidating, it's also forming a little bit of like a channel, just a little bit. And if you guys know anything about retail strategies, you know that when price is breaking down like this at a zone like this, it's supposed to do this, right? And break towards the upside. So literally, guys, that's all that I did. I just waited for price to, I looked at it in two ways. Price is going to break this consolidation and it's supposed to break this trend. So I simply waited for price to continue forming. And once price was doing this, I said, okay, once price breaks this level right here, I want to get into this trade. So I had two places set. I had this and I had this. And I said, once price breaks this level, this should be the push to the upside we're waiting for. And essentially price did exactly that. Pushed in, went down a little bit, and then eventually it started to go in our direction. Gave us a little bit of trouble at that border zone there, but essentially and eventually it hit TP. All right, so that was basically it. This took some time. We got into this trade around 11 o'clock. It didn't close out till about 1, right? Almost 2 o'clock. So it did take some time for this trade to play out, but it's just a very simple strategy. This is nothing complicated. This is not something you need to know a bunch of different concepts for. It's a very simple strategy. So that was the trade that we took, and this was on Tuesday, September 10th. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you didn't want to see other breakdowns, I can do a lot of these 2 to 3 minute, maybe even 5 minute breakdowns if you guys request them. All right, with that being said, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.